If you're debating putting a product up on TikTok Shop, I did this just a couple of weeks ago and I've got some thoughts and feelings. A couple of years ago, I created this planner. It's a social media content planner and I honestly just did horrible selling it. And so I've got so many of them and I was like, let me put this on TikTok Shop and see what happens. The first thing that I think is really important to mention is that when you do create a product and put it on TikTok Shop and become a TikTok seller, you have to be a business account. And I know that's something a lot of creators are nervous about because you do have to have only royalty-free music that you're using in all of your content. So now my account, every single time I post something, I have to check off a box that says like, I'm, guaranteeing that this music that I have the rights to actually use it. So obviously if you're a content creator who uses a lot of non-royalty free music, this is something to consider. So when I first put my product up on TikTok Shop, I went through the whole process of becoming a TikTok seller. And then I created this video where I talked about how I basically failed selling all of these planners and I'm trying to kind of sell them again. And so the video did really well. It got 53,000 plays. And I think this is where a lot of my sales came from. I sold 19 planners, as you can see, and majority of these came from video. One was sold through a live stream that I went live for. It does take a little while for you to actually start getting paid. So I made my first sale probably almost 3 weeks ago, and I'm just today getting my first payment in. I didn't have any customization options for delivery. So for example, when I do fulfillment through TikTok, I don't get to choose like what kind of shipping I'm using. And I typically would use a service like Shippo where I can get the shipping cheaper. That is not the case here. I also did not have the option to choose paid or free shipping. It automatically was free shipping. And so I actually had to raise the price of my planners to incorporate the shipping fee in because it charges $7 for shipping and that's like a large chunk of what my product would cost. When I get orders in, they show up in the app. You do have to ship them out pretty quickly. You only have a couple days to get everything shipped and actually to the post office. And what I really like about it is you can actually just hit all of the orders that you want to ship and hit batch shipping and it will print out all the labels for you, so you don't have to like manually type in anyone's addresses or anything. It's really easy in that way. Overall, I have sold more planners in the last couple of weeks than I've sold in the last couple of years, so I definitely will continue to tag my product and make these planner videos very often so that I can continue to sell them, because I do think the going out to all the people that these videos are seeing really does make a big difference.